nigga taught me how to taste the bag. Get right in the field, I had to make a bag. The day lost it, so wish I could take it back. I just wanna go get one more bag with my nigga. Wanna be rich forever for my dog. Supposed to take you on your first trip on a private jet. I vow to always ball until I fall. And we been on this money shit for years. Gotta drink this mud to make the pain go away. I've been dropping these codeine tears.
So what's up, guys? It's Tajane. I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to do a curl box unboxing with you guys. This box is empty because it was torn up when they sent it to me. So yeah, I'm going to unbox this curl kit, or at least I'm going to show you guys what I got in my June curl kit. So the first thing that came in my curl kit was this Curl Life magazine, and it tells you what's in the box. It tells you the products that's in the box, and it tells you how to use them. And I didn't really look at that the first time I got one. I just skipped over this, but it is actually really informative, and it tells you what all the products do. So I have these products, or some of these products, and it tells you what they do to your hair and how you use them. So yeah, and it also tells you key things you need to know. Reasons your hair isn't growing is because of certain things. So it gives you a lot of natural hair stuff that you probably don't think of. So yeah. First thing I seen when I opened this box was this shea and coconut oils texture me lotion. Texturizing lotion. Style me. You can use this on perm rod sets. It's just like mousse, literally just like mousse. Oh wow. And it shows you the former look. So that's how the bottle used to look, if you guys can see. And this is how the bottle look now. I like this a lot better. But yeah, so, and it has a great smell. A lot of body have a great smell. I actually did not smell any other kind. Yes, this is really good for perm rod sets or flexi rod sets on your natural hair. Or any hair. You can use this on any hair because it's very lightweight. Second product I seen when I opened this was a lot of body with milk and honey. Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. Now, only reason I seen this first is because this thing broke. It was so tightly compacted in this box that it broke it. So, yeah. And, I mean, I'm not upset because it's not like the product itself is broken, and it was leaking. No, it was never that. That was never the case. So I'm not really upset about it. Oh my gosh. It smells so good, girl. So yeah. See? I hope y'all got that June curl kit. But so it is a curl defining mousse. So you can also use it on when you want your hair to stay curly, but it's so lightweight that it won't hold really kinky curly hair curls to stay wet looking, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, and it says medium hold for soft curls, which means 3A, 3B hair, probably, or up. And defines curls, add body and shine for natural hair, no alcohol. This is perfect. So yes, I love it. I love the smell too. Then it also sent me milk and honey. A lot of body with milk and honey, nourish me leave-in conditioner. And I don't have any leave-in conditioners. I only have conditioners. I only moisturize with curling cream and oils. So yes, this is very convenient. They knew I needed some leave-in conditioner. Every time they send me stuff, send me a curl kit, they always send me something I need. So that's a plus. So yeah. And then they also sent me the shampoo and conditioner set. A lot of body milk with milk and honey, restore me, cream conditioner, and cream shampoo. Now, I can't wait to try this on my hair. Only because only shampoo set I use is OGX. That's the shampoo and conditioner. That conditioner set. Shampoo and conditioner set that I use. I have been using Cream of Nature Argan Oil, sulfate free moisture and shine shampoo. This is what they sent me last time, and I love it. I never like Cream of Nature products only because they did me so bold with that edge control. I'm not even gonna hold you up. The edge control is terrible. So I can't wait to try these on my hair. Hopefully I love it. And the shampoo says removes and restores buildup. Hold on, wait, what? Removes product buildup, restores moisture, makes hair soft and manageable. For natural hair, no sulfates. This Lot of Body conditioner says deeply moisturizes and makes hair soft and manageable. For natural hair, no sulfates. So, and last but not least, we have the Coconut and Hydrate Me Deep Conditioning Mask. I've used this before, but this one pack is not enough for my hair, so I might do a comparison on this and this, one side and one side. So other than that, this is all I got in my curl kit. And yes, I really loved it. I enjoyed the products. I'm happy. I was just saying I wanted to get some Lot of Body products, so now I don't have to go buy it anymore because I already bought it. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, it's Tajanae, not Tajanae, not Tajana. It's Tajanae. Come back for more videos if you like this one. And if you haven't seen any of my recent videos, go back and watch them. They're good. They're funny. Later.
Bitches cash dog, why? Cause the rack's in. I got 20 in my duffel, that's the back end. I got 40 on my wrist, that's my left hand. Married to my money, Wells Fargo is my best man. Bitch, I been had it, you just not getting it. I pay cash for it, this is not rent. So if your nigga paid for it, that is my business. Don't get me started around this bitch, cause I would